How to use HiPal App. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to use HiPal App. If you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. So the first thing you have to do is to make sure that once you've downloaded the app on Play Store, you open the app, and this is the interface you're going to see here at the top left corner. You see this settings icon. So whatever thing you want to set, you can do that on your settings icon. You can set your profile, your profile picture and your profile name. Then you can also subscribe to the premium plan that is made available, and there are several other options under the settings icon. So you can also at the lower part of the screen, you see the two icons. You see the chat icon and you see the membership icon. So HiPal is basically for friends. You can use it to reach your friends. You can use it to chat with your family. You see the search icon, you see the chat icon rather, and you see the membership icon. So under the search icon at the lower part of your screen, at the bottom left part of your screen, just click on the icon. Then this page is going to be displayed on your screen, showing you the friends that you have on your screen on your HiPal. For me, I do not have any friend, but for you, it should show you the list of friends that you have. So you see the option to add a friend. So if you want to add a friend, you can click on it and look for a friend to add. Also, if you want to manage places, if you want to see places available on HiPal, you can as well do that. You can add your home, you can add your school, you can add your place of work, you can add your gym, you can add your grocery store, and so on. Okay, there's also the option to add new place if the list of places displayed on your screen is not what you want to add. Okay, and also under the chat icon, you also have there's also the option to create a group. So if you want to create a group with your friends or your family members or your loved ones on HiPal, you can as well do that. But to do this, you have to subscribe. Like you can see on the screen already, you have to subscribe. So the other option and the other icon at the lower part of the screen is membership. So if you want to be a member of HiPal, you have to subscribe. Here you have the amount, monthly amount that you have to pay for you to subscribe in order to have a HiPal membership. Okay, so there are several other things you can learn that you can use HiPal for. You can use it to do talk, walkie, and so on. So there are several things you can do on HiPal. Okay, so this is simply how to use HiPal app. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.